Hey guys, Scott Anderson here with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to inform you about a new, awesome, exciting program that literally is launching right now in September 2019. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the purpose of this video is to just inform you about a new and exciting, awesome program that is launching literally today, September 3rd, 2019. It's called the Overnight Freedom. Okay, what is this program? It's a new program that teaches how to do affiliate marketing. So if you're brand new to trying to make money online, this program can be for you. If you're a current affiliate marketer, this will also work for you. So this program teaches students how to build and scale a 6 to 7 figure affiliate marketing business from paid traffic. So this program really is teaching about paid traffic. It's created by a guy named Rob Jones and Jerry Kramer. I did a little bit of research about them. I couldn't find much, but I could tell that they were friends on Facebook of really high respected other affiliate marketing experts. So I consider these guys to be experts. Okay, let's just dive right into what the meat of this program is. So number one, guys, they talk about 6 different things about this program, why it's going to be different. Number one, they explain that they are going to teach you how to do paid traffic. It's going to be very powerful and scalable, and they're going to teach you Facebook and YouTube ads in detail, which is really cool. Okay, number 2, higher commission. So this is like high ticket affiliate marketing. And if you followed my YouTube channel, you'd see that I am all for doing high ticket affiliate marketing stuff. So essentially just get paid out higher. Okay, this is very crucial. They have Facebook and YouTube compliant sites that look like you'll be able to implement. It says we have cutting edge software that practically builds a high converting Facebook and YouTube compliant site for them. And they explain that it is super easy. Also, this program has an ad generator. This cutting-edge software practically writes the students' ads for them, makes it easy to get that high-converting ad copy created quickly. Guys, ad copy can be extremely hard, so not only are they going to share with you how to do it and what to do, but you can also probably be able to say, okay, well, this is my offer, and this is what the kind of structure is, and then of course this ad generator will just make it for you. So cool. They go on to say that if you were to implement this program and promote Overnight Freedom, that if you did 4 sales a week, which can seem really easy and really simple, and if you do paid traffic, very doable. That can make you up to $100,000 a year. Weekly cash prizes. So there's going to be tons of prizes to promote this specific program. Every week for the next year, there will be cash prizes given away in order to encourage students to take action with the material in the program. I did look at their site, and they've got all sorts of prizes, and that can very much motivate other people, especially if you are seeing some results and you're on a leaderboard. It does motivate you. I don't think personally I'm motivated to earn a prize. I'm more motivated for the actual money, and I want to see that money consistent. But the prizes are there to kind of incentivize and make it fun and something that you can share with those that follow you. So who is this for? I put on here that this is really for anyone that wants to start an online business. If you haven't started an online business, you're trying to make money online, or trying to work from home, this can be a great opportunity because it is new. I personally like products that are new, especially when they're backed by really reputable people and have had successful launches in the past. And so, once again, this can be for you if you're just starting out. Also, if you want to learn paid traffic, I also think this is a great opportunity. If you want to do Facebook ads and YouTube and want to scale your business where you can have a predictable amount of income month after month, then this is a great program for you. Not only are they going to teach you how to do it, but they're also going to give you the right resources like the compliant sites, because I have been shut down before from Facebook and Google. I haven't really done much on YouTube, but on those channels, I've been shut down for not having the right sites that are compliant, and they say, well, just tweak it. Well, that tweaking can take, days or weeks, but if you have this in place, then you will learn how the compliance site is, and it'll just get you up quick without wasting time. And then, of course, this is also for affiliate marketers to promote. So you can re-promote this program and earn up to those 50 to 90% commissions. So very cool. Guys, save the date. So this is like their launching schedule. It says September 3rd, which is right now. I'm making this video right now on the 3rd, and it says, you get a free book that's released today. Then there's a free checklist, all these different dates. And then it says cart closed on the 19th. So I don't know what that means, like cart, like if that's like the only opportunity to buy this, like you have till now until the 19th. I'm not sure, because it says, week after week there's prizes and throughout the whole year. So a little confused about that. But guys, there's a link below, of course, where you can sign up and just follow along, and then you can also become an affiliate for this. Here's their main site from JV, or for the JV partners. It's going to be a ClickBank product, as you can see. Enter your name and your ClickBank ID. So you have to have a ClickBank account in order to re-promote this. So you can also sign up for that if you don't have a ClickBank account. And yeah, guys, like I said, there's all sorts of different prizes you can learn. Those are the dates that's going on. Maybe these are just the launch dates, the specific launch dates, the 3rd to the 19th, and then maybe you can continue to buy this, but it just is not the launch. I'm not sure. It's a little vague. But yeah, I mean, like, here's all the leads. So just for bringing leads, if you rank high enough, then you can get prizes. And of course, if you can get sales, you can literally get a car or two. Yeah, here's another car. So really cool stuff. That's pretty much it, guys. So I hope that you found this valuable. I hope that this was informative. If you liked the video, please give me smash that like button. And guys, if you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing, you want to be informed about new programs like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video.